Hi guys! Today's video is going to be about some trivial introduction about my university, Universiti Sains Islam Malaysia. And you're watching Usim.
What?
These are some of the list of common questions that people used to ask me when I told them I studied in Usim. For example, Usim tu kat mana
Usim tu ada kos apa je Oh, Usim ni yang kat highway tu kan? Macam mana masuk Usim Oh, yang integrasi akli-nakli tu kan?
And guess what guys? This is my university! Usim is located in Bandar Baru Nilai Negeri Sembilan. Having the letter I in the word Usim itself always confuses people that we only offer Islamic courses here. Fakulti of Quranic and Sunnah Studies.
Ya ayuhal muslimun, ittaqullah. Sesungguhnya kita manusia ini hidup hanya sekali.
Allah. Fakulti of Syariah and Law.
Kita akan mulakan pembicaraan kita pada hari ini. Sila duduk dan jangan lari.
But hey, we also offer some other interesting courses as well. Faculty of Leadership and Management. Faculty of Economics and Muamalat. Faculty of Medicine and Health Science. Faculty of Dentistry.
Bosan lagi kau.
Faculty of Science and Technology. Faculty of Major Language Studies.
Malaysia. Ana. Kaifa? Antum? Anti?
And last but not least, Faculty of Engineering and Built Environment. So guys, that's pretty much everything that you have to know about all the faculties that we have here in Usim.
So macam mana? Korang excited tak nak tahu banyak lagi pasal Usim?
If you wish to know about all the faculties that we have here, but in particular us in our own faculty,
jangan lupa saksikan Usim
What?
Dan kita akan bawakan episod-episod lagi menarik pasal Usim dan korang boleh explore banyak benda tentang fakulti-fakulti yang di Usim.
So stay tuned. Bye.